When given a problem like this, students are expected to understand the difference between rows and columns. They have been taught that rows are horizontal and columns are vertical. So when they're asked how many rows of stars are there, they should be able to quickly count that there are 3 rows of stars. They just need to write the number 3. How many stars are in each row? They can simply count the number of columns or count in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They can tell that there are 5 stars in each row. Then in the part C, it asks for them to write a repeated addition sentence that represents the array. They've been taught that you can use repeated addition as another way to show multiplication, so they would know that they need to write 5 plus 5 plus 5 to show the different rows. Write a multiplication fact that matches this array. This is where a lot of students get confused because of this matches. We've taught them multiplication should be rows times columns, which is also the number of groups times the size of each group. So when they're writing a multiplication sentence that matches an array, they need to write it by rows by columns. So they're going to need to say 3 times 5 equals 15. Now, the multiplication sentence 5 times 3 equals 15 will still get you the correct total. However, that does not match the array, and that is where some scholars were getting tricked. Just remember that when we teach it in class, we discuss it as the number of groups multiplied by the size of the groups.